everyone, welcome back to Silicon Degree. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you never miss the update. Today, we are exploring the world of computer network with a special focus on network topologies. Whether you are an engineer student, a network administrator, or just someone who is curious about how network works, this video is only for you. So, what is network topology? Network topology is a layout or arrangement of different elements like nodes, links, etc. in a computer networks. It describes how these nodes are interconnected to each other. Now, topology can be broken down into two main types. First one is a physical topology and other one is a logical topology. First, let's clarify what do we mean by physical and logical topology. Physical topology refers to an actual physical layout of our devices on the network. It is all about how the cables are laid out and how the devices like switches, routers and computer are physically connected. Logical topology describes how data actually flows through the network regardless of its physical design. For instance, in a physically connected star topology, the logical topology could be the bus or a ring, depending on how the data is managed. Let's move on to the specific topology, starting with the bus topology. In a bus topology, all the devices are connected to the single central cable called the bus or a backbone. Each device is connected to this bus and the data travels through the bus to all devices. Advantages for bus topologies are it is simple to set up and requires less cabling than other topologies. It is cost effective for small networks. Disadvantage of bus topologies are if the central bus fails, the entire network goes down. It is less efficient as more devices are added, leading to increased data collision. The real-world examples are bus topology is widely used in early Ethernet network and is still found in small office setups and home networks where simplicity and cost are priorities. Next, we have ring topology. In a ring topology, each device is connected to exactly two other devices forming a circular path. Data travels in one direction, either clockwise or counterclockwise. Advantages of ring topologies are data collision can be reduced because the data flow in a single direction. It can cover the distances than bus topology due to orderly data transmission. Disadvantage of ring topologies are if one device fails, it can bring down the entire network unless the dual ring topology is used. Troubleshooting can be difficult because the dependency on each device. Real-world example of ring topologies are ring topology is often used in metropolitan area network and some wide area network setups, like in the case of fiber distributed data interface networks. Now we will see the star topology. In the star topology, all the devices are connected to a central hub or a switch. The hub acts as a repeater for the data flow. The advantages of star topologies are if one device fails, the rest of the network remain unaffected. It is easy to add or remove the devices without affecting the network. Disadvantages of star topologies are the entire network depends on the central hub. If it fails, the network goes down. More cabling is required compared to the bus or ring topologies. Real-world example of star topology is widely used in a home and office networks, especially where the central point of control is necessary, such as in Wi-Fi network where the router acts as the central hub. Mesh topology. In mesh topology, each device is connected to every other devices in the network. This creates multiple paths for a data to travel between any two devices. Advantages of mesh topologies are it is extremely reliable. If one connection fails, data can be rerouted through other connections. It is high in redundancy and it is fault tolerance. Disadvantages of mesh topologies are it is expensive and complex to set up due to the large number of connections, require a lot of cabling making it impractical for large networks. Real-world example of mesh topology is often used in a critical network infrastructure like data centers, military communication, and in some advanced home Wi-Fi like mesh Wi-Fi networks for robust connectivity. Now we will talk about hybrid topology. A hybrid topology combines the element of different topologies to leverage the strengths of each while minimizing their weaknesses. For example, you might have a star or burst topology or mesh star topology. Advantages of hybrid topologies are it is flexible and scalable, can be designed to meet the specific network needs. It can combine to the best features of different topologies. Disadvantages of hybrid topologies are it is complex to design and manage. Moreover, it is expensive due to the mixed setup. Real world example of hybrid topology is common in large enterprises where different departments might require different network setups or in data center where performance and reliability are critical. Evolution of network topology. Early computer network used bus topology due to its simplicity and low cost. With the advent of personal computer and office networks, star topology became the norm due to its flexibility and ease of management. Today, with the rise of cloud computing, IoT and large-scale enterprises network, mesh and hybrid topologies are increasingly common due to their redundancy and robustness. Now the biggest question can come to your mind is how to choose the right topology. When designing a network, following things to be considered: network size and scalability requirement, performance need, reliability and fault tolerance, cost constraint, ease of management. Remember, there is no one fit solution for all. The best topology depends on your specific needs and constraints.